Hi everybody, this is the latest Kawasaki Hybrid. Will it be released this year? The Kawasaki Hybrid and Electric entered the Suzuka Circuit, Japan last weekend. The eco-friendly motorcycle will appear in the Suzuka 8-hour 2022 endurance racing event. Kawasaki's hybrid and electric motorcycles suddenly took many people by surprise. With both vehicles on display, the possibility of entering the production line seems imminent. The Japanese brand presents its flagship electric motorbike in the form of the Z-Series Aka Naked Sport. The body is quite slim and of course almost silent like an electric vehicle in general. While their hybrid motorcycles are mounted on a sport fairing frame and are commonly known as Ninjas, some sources say that the engine is based on the Ninja 250, but some say it's the Ninja 650. Through Autobuy's upload, Kawasaki's electric motorcycle appears to appear and enter the track. His presence made the audience in the stands silent as well as listening to the vehicle. Not long after, the next Kawasaki Hybrid came out accompanied by a distinctive roar of engine sound. This motorbike has been paired with a racing exhaust so that the sound produced is more melodious. The hybrid model has the HEV logo on the side of the vehicle, while the electric model looks Kawasaki EV emblem. The Kawasaki Hybrid was first exhibited to the general public at the 2019 EICMA event. Then the brand that is identical to the green color has developed it starting in 2020. Although it has been exhibited as well as testing in the circuit, Kawasaki is still not open about the specifications, so that the public still does not know the capabilities of the motor. Talking about the Kawasaki Hybrid motorcycle that was present at Suzuka last weekend, it appears that the motorcycle uses a curved header. The engine header is said to be identical to the Ninja 650. However, thanks to the visible header, it can be concluded that the vehicle uses an inline two-cylinder engine. Then because it is a hybrid vehicle, there is an electric motor to help the performance of the combustion engine. The Ninja Hybrid that shows off at Suzuka looks to be paired with the H2's body or fairing, so that the motor has winglets and spoilers like the turbo engine motorcycle mentioned above. If both motorcycles are marketed in the near future, the electric motorcycle competition will be more exciting in the future.